Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 1. The most widely accepted definition of economics was given by A. Adam Smith, B. Alfred Marshall, C. H.J. Davenport, D. J.S. Mill, D. Lionel Robbins. So, the most widely accepted definition of economics was given by Lionel Robbins, and he gave this definition in 1932. Now, he defined economics as a science. Which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means, which have alternative uses. So Lionel Robbins is option E, and as we have seen, Lionel Robbins gave the most widely accepted definition of economics in the year 1932. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.